CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.4 Given a scenario, use Microsoft Windows operating system features and tools. Task Manager. Task Manager is one of the most powerful and commonly used system tools in Windows. It allows users to view and manage running applications, processes, and system performance all in one place. Whether you are closing a frozen app, analyzing system performance, or optimizing startup programs, Task Manager is a tool every technician should be comfortable using. Accessing Task Manager is quick and easy. You can right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager, use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+Shift+Escape for direct access, or press Ctrl+Alt+Delete and choose Task Manager from the menu. Once Task Manager is open, you will see several tabs that provide different views into your system. Let's move through some of these tabs and break down the most important items you will need to know, for both the exam and for real-world use. First up, we have the Processes tab. This tab is where you will spend most of your time. Think of this as your real-time dashboard of everything running on the system. It displays applications, background processes, and Windows processes, along with their current CPU, memory, disk, and network usage. This makes it incredibly useful for identifying resource-heavy applications that may be slowing the system down. If a program freezes or becomes unresponsive, you can select it and click End Task to force it to close. Next is the Performance tab, which provides a live, graphical view of system resources. You can monitor CPU usage, memory consumption, disk activity, and network performance. This tab is extremely valuable when diagnosing performance issues. For example, if a user reports a slow system, you can quickly determine whether the issue is caused by high CPU usage, low available memory, or heavy disk activity. Moving over to the Startup tab, this is your go-to location for improving boot performance. This tab lists all applications configured to launch when Windows starts. Disabling unnecessary startup programs can significantly reduce boot time and improve overall system responsiveness. In older versions of Windows, this required using msconfig, but in Windows 11, Task Manager provides a much more streamlined and accessible solution. Next, we have the Users tab. This tab shows all users currently logged into the system, along with the resources each user is consuming. For each user, you can view their CPU, memory, disk, and network usage, giving you a clear picture of how system resources are being distributed. This is especially useful in shared or enterprise environments where multiple users may be signed in at the same time, such as on a server, shared workstation, or through a remote desktop service. If one user is consuming excessive resources, you can quickly identify it here and determine whether their activity is impacting overall system performance. You also have the ability to manage user sessions directly from this tab. By right-clicking on a user, you can disconnect their session or sign them out entirely. This can be helpful if a user has left a session running that is consuming resources, or if troubleshooting requires resetting their session. Finally, the Services tab displays Windows services and their current status, such as running or stopped. Services are background processes that support critical system functions. From this tab, you can start, stop, or restart services as needed. For example, if audio is not working, restarting the Windows Audio service could resolve the issue. Suffice it to say, Task Manager is not just a monitoring tool. It is a troubleshooting powerhouse. It allows you to quickly identify performance bottlenecks, manage applications and services, and optimize system startup. For the exam, focus on knowing what each tab is used for and when you would apply it in a real-world scenario. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.